sprays everything.
I'm absolutely loving it. It's the most peaceful thing I've ever done in my life.
That's what my brother-in-law said.
I'm not scared at all.
He said it's like...
Oh.
You know, I've been coming here for 20 years, and it's the first time we've got to go in this direction.
You see the horses down there?
Wow, they're beautiful.
We were much higher before, right?
Well, we don't. The only way we find out we're not supposed to land there is if the landowner comes out and runs us off.
Tell them what you told me about the...
Say it again, I was on the burner.
Beautiful, huge green area up in
Do you see anything on the map after that? Because I'm in some areas here that are very landable, but I just want to try and give it a good ride, but I don't want to get in the red zone and be all night getting out.
We have 6 people here.
Come back.